In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Zapier, a powerful tool for automation that can save you time by connecting your favorite apps. First, open up your Zapier dashboard. If you're not already familiar with it, Zapier is a terrific platform that allows you to link apps and automate workflows, making those repetitive tasks a breeze. Now, with your Zapier dashboard open, let's navigate to the App Connections section. You'll find it listed in the main menu. This section is pivotal because it's where you can manage which apps are linked to Zapier. By connecting Google Sheets here, you enable Zapier to access, update, and manage your spreadsheets. Once you're in the App Connections area, the next step is to click on the Add Connection button. This is usually prominently displayed, and clicking it will allow you to start the process of linking your Google account. It's crucial to remember that for Zapier to access your Google Sheets, you'll need to grant permission. So when prompted, make sure you're logged into the Google account that hosts the sheets you want Zapier to work with. After initiating the connection, you'll need to type in Google Sheets when you're asked which app you want to add. As you start typing, Zapier will likely predict your choice, making it easier to select Google Sheets from the drop-down. Clicking on Google Sheets will direct you through a series of steps where Zapier seeks your permission to access your data. Be sure you review these permissions to understand what you're authorizing. It's always good practice to stay informed about how your data is used. Following that, you might be required to verify your Google account, especially if it's the first time you're connecting it to Zapier. This could involve simple steps like entering your password or confirming using a code sent to your phone or email. Verification ensures that your data remains secure during this setup process. Once the verification is complete, Zapier will successfully link to your Google Sheets. You'll get a confirmation message letting you know the connection has been made. This is where the magic begins. With Google Sheets connected, you can now start creating what Zapier calls zaps, or automated workflows involving your spreadsheets. To wrap it up, take a moment to check the App Connections page once again to confirm that Google Sheets is listed there. Knowing how to review and manage these connections is invaluable. And remember, should you face any issues during this process, Zapier's Help Center is just a click away and filled with resources to guide you further. Thank you for joining me today as we tackled connecting Google Sheets with Zapier. Until next time, happy automating.